Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying two essentials: an unlocked, Fi-compatible phone and your current carrier account details, including the transfer PIN. Once done, sign into your Google account and open Fi. Google, Com, or the Fi app. Choose Start Order or Switch to Fi, then enter your ZIP for plans. Select eSIM or SIM card. Make sure to pick a billing plan and payment method now so the activation can proceed immediately. This reduces delays during number porting. Next, you handle the porting and activation. Start the port process in the Fi app. Enter your current carrier, account number, billing address, and transfer PIN. Then choose eSIM or request a physical SIM. If eSIM, scan the QR or accept the profile in settings. Once you trigger porting, keep your old line active. This prevents losing calls or verification texts. Monitor the app for status updates and make sure your phone restarts if prompted to finalize network provisioning. Finish by confirming the port completed and testing voice, text, and data immediately. You should see Google Fi in Settings Network. If using eSIM, keep the old carrier profile installed until tests pass, then remove it. If something goes wrong, restart the phone, verify APN settings match Fi's defaults, and ensure airplane mode cycles off. If issues persist, contact Fi support with your port request number and account info so they can rerun activation checks and resolve carrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.